What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be reviewing one of the play to earn projects out there, and let's go to their website and check out the things that you guys need to know about this project. And before we start, just wanted to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor and this video is really for educational and informational purposes only. So let's go. Alright guys, so landing page of Planetix, the link to that will be in the description of the video. That way you could avoid any phishing sites or anything like that. Okay, so we'll be focusing on the things that I feel you guys will need the most. We'll be checking out the gameplay later on. So I have attached my wallet here. That way later on I could show you the actual gameplay of Planetix. Okay, so let's check out what Planetix is. So the game. Planetix is a GameFi strategy game where the mission is to explore the world, connect or collect NFTs, trade them on our marketplace, challenge each other in play-to-earn games, and reap rewards from various DeFi functionalities. However, the game does not stop there. Your digital footprint in this environment will also create a sustainable real-world impact. Alright, so let's move on to the next. What are the tiers of the NFT in Pix? All right, so you have legendary, you have rare, you also have uncommon, you have common, and then the other one is outlier. So those are the different rarities that you have in Planetix. And then pack drops, aside from trading on our marketplace, pack drops is the only way of commencing and maintaining your collection. Every Monday at 12 p.m. UTC, Pix can be bought in mixed packs containing a rich quantity and variety of different Pix tiers and types in specific drop zones. So you gotta check that one out. That way, you could stay tuned. What I would strongly recommend, guys, especially when you do your own research, is to join all their socials like Discord and Telegram, if they have Twitter or anything like that. Go ahead and follow those social media platforms. That way, when they release announcements or updates, you will be updated and notified immediately. All right. Now, how to play? Let's go ahead and check on this one. So, Planetix, see that their community here. These are the socials that you guys could join: their Twitter, their Discord, their YouTube, Instagram, Medium, and Twitch. It will be in the description of the video as well. That way, it's gonna be easier for you to access or get to those websites. All right, so what is Planetix? Just like what I mentioned earlier, what is Planetix? It is a crypto game, to be exact, an NFT-based strategy game. Okay, so how to register? You could go to their website and then get started. So just connect your wallet. I'm using a MetaMask wallet and I've connected that. That way I could show you the actual gameplay of Planetix later on as well. Okay, so Pix is your NFTs. Virtual Planet consists of 1.6 billion hexagons of virtual land called Pix. These Pix are divided into different classifications and tiers depending on where they're located, and some are rare than others. And every Pix is a unique NFT. Then IXT, guys, is their utility token. So that is what you use to buy your Pix in the Planetix marketplace. Okay, the game, don't worry about that, guys. I'll show you the actual gameplay later on. That way you'll have an idea. This is actually how it looks like, but let me go ahead and try that one out later on. Then trade your Pix, territories, grow your collection of Pix. You need to buy more. This is actually done in the marketplace here. You can also sell or trade Pix with other players to acquire the land that you need to expand and grow your territories. Divide and conquer, but in a nice way. Okay, so let's go ahead and check that one out. Head on to the mission control first before we head on to the actual gameplay. So mission control and the free-to-play and play-to-earn Planetix Metaverse. So that's one of the great things about this project. It has, the free-to-play part, as it mentioned here. And then before, if you feel that, this game is really interesting and, you want to expand and invest, then that's totally up to you. At least you had the chance to try it out first, unlike other projects wherein you cannot test it out unless you buy your NFTs already. Okay? Agents of Change, Planet IX is continuously evolving, and our team works hard to design new game mechanics that can capture the depth of the immersive story that we are writing. What started out as a mission for the AOCs to rejuvenate the planet could eventually transition into new objectives and tasks as the planet evolves. As such, we are excited to introduce the upcoming launch of Planet IX Mission Control. So what is Mission Control? So here, it will be the hub that gives each AOC an overview of their in-game assets. Through this new view, players will be able to stake and unstake assets with ease and perform various in-game functions. Then, the mission is to farm waste and through various staking, burning, and minting mechanics to create energy. The energy NFTs can then be staked for IXT, the utility token. So, guys, I will not be reading everything here. I will be leaving the link in the description of the video. That way you could go back and check out the entire thing. Okay? So those are really important for you guys to know. That way you know what are the new updates, what's happening, and what are the things that's new in the project. Okay? Waste NFT, staking in mission control, so picks and territories, tech and structures, raiding. Inside the upcoming mission control, we are introducing a new raiding mechanic which brings in an exciting element of PvP. Players may raid other players' mission control and loot their waste. When a player wishes to engage in raiding, they are able to generate a list of other players along with the amount of waste on their land. Player can then decide which players they would like to raid, and if the player isn't satisfied with the raid prospects, they can spend Astro credits to reroll the list for potentially getting better targets to raid. When a player decides to raid another player's mission control, the raid occurs over all the tiles owned by the opposing player. So looks like this is gonna be interesting, guys. So you might want to go ahead and check this one out. Beginning to feel, that this project is really a good project that you guys could check out and invest in. Especially now that almost all the tokens are cheap. Bitcoin is at around like 22,000, 23,000 at the time of the recording. So this is a good time for you guys to, scout for a good project that you guys could invest in and see, how your money grows when the market reverses and turns into another bull run. Okay? So closing note, this post was a broad overview into mission control, and we touched on some new game mechanics that will be released in conjunction with it. More details can be found in our revamped white paper that we plan to release in the coming weeks, and we plan on releasing more explanatory materials on each new game mechanic. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the white paper real quick, guys, before we head on to the game itself. So let's see what other good stuff we could come up with that's not mentioned in the website. Okay, so executive summary. What is Planet IX lore? Let's see what good stuff we could check out here. So roadmap. Let's check this one out. Well, almost in quarter 4 of this 2022. So quarter 3, what have they accomplished? So Marketplace 2.5, Territories, Landmark, the Globe launch, AOC Genesis burn, cargo drop, and mission control. So yeah, so you see there, mission control, free to play, play to earn, 20 farmable NFT assets, play to impact. Okay, Planet IX DAOs, so decentralizing, IXT governance and voting, in-game corporation governance and voting. IX, let me zoom in. This one is pretty small. IX Foundation 2.0, IXT Cat Raft, lending and borrowing, fractionalization, and user created. So 2022 of quarter 4, spaceship NFTs. Look at that. Syndicates of Change, Marketplace 3.0. So what's going to be new on that one is UI, UX remodel, open marketplace preparation, Lucky Cat Classics, design starts game development, and decentralized social platform. So those are what you can expect for the rest of 2022. Okay, 2023, you have it there. So Lucky Cat Classics, Spaceship Mission Control. Quarter 2 is the Lucky Cat Classics, and then open marketplace. Cross-chain, all NFTs, trade from your spaceships. Planet IX is not like any old game with a simple beginning and happily ever after is an evolving ecosystem of multi-layered player journeys. Okay, so multi-layered player journeys. Planet IX is a bridge between the digital and the physical world where environments can be both claimed, bought, and sold. Environments that will eventually also be customizable, enabling and encouraging both creativity and strategizing for the individual player. The lore, you can go ahead and check on that. Let's check IX token. Wait, check that one out. Polygon. In our ambition to build the world's largest NFT-based game, we quickly saw the need to choose an infrastructure that could support our immense ambition, provide cost-effective transactions, and be fast enough to enable compelling gameplay. That is Polygon. And if you're gonna be asking me, I'm a fan of Polygon because it's just like what he mentioned. It's fast and the gas fees are very affordable. There are a lot of games in that network that are really good, so you guys could go ahead and check them out. But just for you guys to know, Planet IX is in the Polygon network. So after extensive research, we settled on Polygon as the only L2 solution capable of meeting all our stringent requirements. Polygon is incredibly cheap and quick to use, and it is sufficiently decentralized. Perhaps most importantly, Polygon is one of the most environmentally friendly and sustainable blockchains in the market today. So there's like a table here, the things that they mentioned about Polygon. So Polygon, Polkadot, Cosmos, Forum, sidechains, sharding. So if you're into those type of things, you guys go ahead and check on the table here. And what else? Check on the white paper, DeFi, governance, Metaverse. Basics of the game, digital plots of land, Planet IX are called picks, just like what I mentioned earlier. So it's has been discussed earlier during the review of the website itself. Okay, so without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and check out the game itself. Okay, so if it's your first time to attach your wallet, it's good. I mean, the Planet IX has a very good initial tutorial that's ready for you. It's gonna have tutorials there. It's gonna tell you what the Net Empire Marketplace is, what Gravity Grade Pack drops is, Lucky Cat raffles, and all those stuff. So Net Empire, before we head on to that, if you click on this globe and then drag it, it will show you, there are a lot of dots there. If you double click, it's gonna zoom in. You'll see those very small dots. If you double click or if you click on one of the NFTs here, like say click on this one, it will show you there. And then if you click on explore, guys, see what's gonna happen. It will show you details like this one. If you click on this one, it will show you on the left side the details for that. So unlisted, owner, see there's an owner, and then tier, common, suburban area, country is IN, floor 0.01 IXT. So if you click on another one, let's say you click on the one beside it, you're gonna select that as well. So you already have 2, now you have 3. So if you could come up with a group of NFTs grouped all together, it will form a better territory for you. So that's kind of, the concept of the game is to come up with your NFTs that are close together so that you could come up with a good territory for yourself. Okay, so see, I selected all these ones. These are all the information for that one. And then let's go back in inventory. So nothing found because I don't have any NFTs yet. Bundles, you have landmarks, you have areas. So that's basically your inventory. Manage territories, so my territories, since we still don't have NFTs, but that's there. And then if you go back and then click on Gravity Grade, the pack drops. If you click on that, it will show you this one. So GG drop, express delivery, small, medium, large. Drop zones is Asia. Status is live now. See? Release date is August 16, 2022, which has already passed. And units left, 1954, so 1,954. And then you could click on purchase if you would like to purchase that one out. So see, sold out, sold out, sold out. There's a lot of people really, playing this project, this game, Planet IX. So you might want to go ahead and do your own research and check this project out. Who knows? As time goes by, the value of the NFTs here will keep on, growing and growing, and you might be able to like have a good revenue out of this project. So Planet IX Twitter account, guys, you can just go ahead and click on the link below. So click on follow and then click on that bell. That way it's gonna notify you when they send updates or when they tweet updates and all those stuff. So they already have 14,200 followers in their Twitter account. Then Planet IX Linktree are the links to all their socials. It will also be in the description of the video for easier access when you do your own research. Alright, so this is the blog page of planet.ix. It's blog.planetix.com. It's also going to be included in the description of the video. Go ahead and check this one out. There's a ton of information that you guys could see or that you guys could check out in this page when you do your own research. So Planet IX cargo drop and gravity grade anniversary pack. So there's like a video available here that you guys could check out as well. Agent of Change. It is incredible to think about the support we have received since the launch of Planet IX, and we cannot thank our players enough. It has been nearly 1 year since the launch of our first Pix pack, and we are planning to release a special gravity grade anniversary pack and cargo drop to celebrate this year. So we will detail the special drops below. They are announcing their drops here. So if you would like to participate in those drops, I highly encourage you to follow them. Just click on this one, click on it, and then click this. That way you'll be notified when they have like new announcements or new updates in the future. Okay, so let's check out real quick. So cargo drops 2, top cargo drop purchaser will be added to a competition of additional assets, more lucky cat meta shares, and also golden tickets. All buyers will also be added to a raffle for the same asset. So top 10 buyers, top 100 buyers, all buyers 10 golden raffle tickets. So there's a lot of items that they are giving away. So go ahead and check this one out. Actually, this is one of the most, or if there's part of the website or the part of the socials that I mentioned earlier, this is, I think, one of the most important sites that you need to take note of and check out once in a while and see if there's any additional information or announcements in the future. Okay, all right, so those are the things that I feel you guys need to know about this project. Go ahead and check them out. Feel free to use the comment section if you have any questions and all that. And if this video helped you out, feel free to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. That way when we upload new videos, you will be notified. All right, we'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.